Are we on? Can you hear me? Wait, let me actually make sure you can't hear me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The day has come where I finally get to announce the giveaway winner for the month of August, which I know is in September, but it's okay. Don't worry, I explained it all in that video. So if you haven't watched it, I put the link up here. There's a tutorial in that video. Obviously, it's too late to enter the giveaway because this is the video where I announce the winner. But I will be posting another giveaway within the next couple weeks, and it's actually going to be a September/October giveaway. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Naomi, and I post beauty-related videos. If you're interested in checking those out, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. Guys, I ran into some issues while I was doing this giveaway. So I didn't really think about this in my first giveaway because the person that I chose to win on my first giveaway, it was like, I just chose... or I didn't choose it, but what's it called? The random YouTube comment picker just did it, and then I looked up if they were subscribed to me, and they were, and that was that. But this time, when it chose a winner, and I looked up the person to make sure they were subscribed to me, it said that they weren't subscribed to me, so I had to skip, and then I did it again, and then again another person won, and they weren't subscribed to me. So I was like, wow, these people are really entering my giveaways, but they're not staying subscribed, so that kind of sucks because then they can't win. But then turns out, I don't know if you guys know this, but if you have your privacy settings under like anonymous, I don't know if it's anonymous, I don't know what it said on there, but you can, when you make a YouTube channel, you automatically have like your name hidden, so when you subscribe to somebody's channel, it won't let them know that you subscribed. So unfortunately, I'm not able to give those people the giveaway prize. It could have easily been that the person just wasn't subscribed to my channel anymore, or it could be that they are subscribed but they have their subscriptions anonymous. So just so you know, if you are watching this video, go under your settings, then go to your privacy, and then make sure that the little, it's like one of those buttons that you kind of have to like swipe, make sure that that is not clicked on, because if it's on, that means that I can't see if you subscribe to my channel. Nobody can see whose channels you're subscribed to. I want it to be fair for everyone, and I do want you guys to win, but if I can't see if you're subscribed, it's kind of impossible. Like, what am I supposed to do? It's not my fault. It's not my fault. And the only reason I know this is because I've actually been doing the same thing. I mean, I haven't been entering giveaways, so it doesn't really matter. When I was like trying to figure out who was subscribed to my channel, and I realized there's no way that that list I was able to look at was all my subscribers. And then I went into my settings, and then I realized that you only see the subscribers that have it public, so if it's private, you can't see it. And if you are entering other giveaways and you're not winning, this is probably the reason why you're not winning, because your privacy settings are not public, so people can't see if you're subscribed or not, which is what mostly YouTube is about. You know, like, you have to be subscribed to win a giveaway, and if it says you're not subscribed, there's really nothing they can do. All right guys, so after doing it multiple times, the random comment picker finally chose a winner, and the winner for this giveaway is a single mom review. So congratulations. Don't forget to either send me a DM on Instagram, or you can email me as well if you're not on Instagram. So go ahead and contact me, and I will make sure the giveaway gets to you as soon as possible. I do want to thank all you guys for subscribing to me and watching all my videos. Like, my channel has been growing slowly, but it's been growing, and I am so happy that I've done this much in 4 months, because it's kind of crazy. I'm excited to do a giveaway next month, and I'm gonna try to make it Halloween themed. Hopefully I can do it. I don't know, depends on how like busy I get. But thank you guys so much for all your continued support. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my video. I will talk to you guys next week.